Hi everyone, welcome or welcome on back to my channel. So I woke up and decided I'm cutting my hair back into a bob, and if you're not new to my channel, you know I've been pondering on this for a while, and today is the day I just decided to go ahead and do it. The only reason I'm doing this is because I actually like my hair in its bob state. That's the whole point of this cut. I'm just showing you the length of my hair at almost 6 years. I'll be 6 years in July. So here's how much growth I've had since my last cut from July 2024. That's how it looked before I cut it in July 2024, and this is how it looks now. So I'm just going to dampen my hair with some rose water before the cut. So for the first cut, I decided I'm going to take it up to the longest layer that I have and see how I like it from that point.
And when we're making love, your cries they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
So I tried to keep as much of my layers as I could because I do like my hair layered like this. Because I still want it length, but I just want it to be in the shape of a bob. So for my bangs, I actually like the length of my bangs, so I just tried to clean them up a little bit. I really didn't take much off of them. Just try to even it out a little bit. And this is how I usually like to wear my hair, with the side part. And then I figured when I do the middle part, which I do sometimes, it should be fine.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around.
So this is how the cut turned out, and it wasn't too bad. I took about an inch or two off, I would say. Now I'm going to color my hair, and I've been using the Dark and Lovely Popping Pink. It's not going to turn out that bright of a pink color because my hair is not pre-lightened, so it does give me like this dark plum color. And I am just focusing it on my roots and my new growth, and that's the only part that I'm going to color.
Would've thought I'd get you. Ooh, who would've thought I'd get you?
So here is the final look with the cut and the color. So I just evened everything out, brought it back to shoulder length, which is actually my favorite length. It did make my hair look thicker in my opinion. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.